Good morning. Thank you, Lord, again for this new morning. Have a good day. Morning. Luto tayo ng sweet corn in the morning. Kasi naglaga na ako ng itlog para sa breakfast ni Madam. Itlog is life. Ayan, prepare ko muna yung breakfast ni Madam. I love this. Kahit everyday ako niyang kumakain. My favorite mais kay dyan. Ayan, mga kababayan, ready to serve na po. Pilipinas man or nasa abroad ka, ang kailangan ay always pray, tiis at tiyaga anuman ang iyong trabaho, kahit paulit-ulit. Thank you, Lord, sa work. Thanks God always. Huwag kalimutang manalangin lagi, because I know God is our hope for everything what we dreams in life. Keep on praying, keep on work, be patient at work. Kahit anong trabaho, pag malaki mo, mahalin mo ang trabaho mo para sa kinabukasan mo. Kasi professional ka man or hindi, kung wala kang tiyaga, wala kang tiyaga at tiis sa isang bagay, never kang mag-success. Kaya whatever happen, tiis, tiyagang yung babaunin kahit saan man tayo pupunta. And of course, always pray. Thanks God for this blessings again and again, and happy weekend. Tsaka salamat sa ito ay galing sa farm ni Bossing. Nagtanim siya ng mais, kaya nakakain kami ng fresh na mais. O diba, pag may tinanim may aanihin. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep safe. Always pray. Thank you for watching and God bless us all. Keep on dreaming. Let's serve na, guys. Ang breakfast ni Madam Damin. Itlog is always on the way. Every morning. This is brown toast siya, guys. And of course, favorite tea. God bless sa ating lahat. Ingat lagi. God bless ingat lagi ang aming pamilya. Thank you and God bless and always pray again and again.